Oh,
guys,
hey, we're back.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey, we're the Rum Brothers. Today we're doing...
Bumbu Rum. So this is, it is a, hold on.
Take the cork out.
It's a product of Barbados, but it is blended from a bunch of island rums. I'm kind of disconcerted by the rum with natural flavors emblazoned in gold across the front. You wonder why they didn't just say spiced, but I guess maybe it's not spices. Who knows?
And it's 70 proof. And I don't know if I've ever had a 70 proof rum.
Yeah, so that's the blending, I guess, watering it down. But it's a cool bottle. It's got a nice little, like, piratey X, but of course that looks, yeah, it's an X, okay. Yeah, it's a cork. It's a big old cork. Look at that. All right, I'll give a little pour here, a little tasty poo.
Tasty poo. That's a technical term. Don't give me too. You gave me too much.
You gave me too much.
Whoa, this smells weird.
You want half of mine?
Ooh.
No.
Okay, so what kind of flavors?
Oh, that's interesting.
It's like banana.
It's like if there was ever a time to say banana, it's now.
Yeah, it smells like banana.
It smells like Laffy Taffy banana.
Yeah, not a real banana. Almost, or like the hard candy.
It
that's
smells
like,
like
my
banana.
friend loves
smells
Laffy
like
Taffy bananas.
Natural. This is the talking over each other we shouldn't do. You don't want to get in our
Then we all
banana
sit
jokes.
Banana.
Has anyone actually tasted it yet?
Oh, I'm scared.
I'm scared.
It smells like almost like bubble gum.
It's kind of like apple juice colored.
It sure is interesting.
Okay, so this is okay. So you got. It's really just banana on the unnatural banana on the nose. Okay.
Unnatural banana.
Banana and vanilla.
Yeah, it tastes like a poor attempt at, like, some banana flavored something. It's not it's not terrible.
No, it's not terrible.
I would only mix this.
It's not. You can easily drink it.
Yeah. It's not...
You would have to like bananas.
Yeah. It's not horrible.
No, it's not. It's a cool bottle.
Yeah. It's a fun name.
It's definitely if you were a rum collector and you wanted something unique that was still considered rum, this would be a nice, unique thing to have, and everyone would go, "Oh, that's unique."
The interesting thing is, like, it doesn't say that it's a spiced rum, but this is a spiced rum, isn't it?
No, that's what I'm saying. It's rum with natural flavors.
It's weird.
So I guess there's no spices added. So it's blended rums with flavored something, and it's watered down to 70 proof. So
Yeah, I mean, you got that banana flavor, vanilla, almost like butter. There's like a buttery smell and taste to it.
yeah, but like the Jelly Belly butter jelly bean.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth.
Yeah.
It's just like there's so much going on with the flavor that it feels like a lot when you're just sipping it.
Yeah, it's very pungent.
Yeah, I don't know if I would, like, sit around and sip this with a cigar. Maybe if it was, I don't know, a banana-flavored cigar.
If you had a banana themed party, I mean, this would go in well.
Yeah.
You ever just
It's
wanna-
interesting. I wonder what else this company makes.
I don't know. This is one. This is one of those probably multinational. Hey, let's scoop up a bunch of stuff in the Caribbean and throw it in a vat.
Yeah. If you work for Bumbu, comment below. If your name is Bumbu, comment below.
If your name is Bumbu, this rum is for you.
It's the worst marketing ever.
No one bought it! No one
name,
bought it!
my name is Bumbu.
Oh, I don't like it.
Okay, so why don't we talk about...
Talk about price. Talk about scoring.
Well, I don't know. Out of 10,
Guess the price.
15.
Yeah, I'd say 15.
$29.99.
No! Really?
Something like that. $30. No!
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
gosh.
what it was.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is worth that much money. If you find it on sale, and if you want to try banana rum,
Probably, banana rum.
they should have just called it that. Bumbu banana.
Bumbu banana.
$30?
Yeah,
Oh dear.
it's the original though.
Oh,
Isn't that fun? The original.
I'm
Didn't know there
confused.
was any confusion about what bumbu was. Yep.
Original.
Maybe bumbu means banana.
Maybe we'll get a bunch of comments. Bumbu is banana.
I guess we should do a little more research.
And then that guy named Bumbu who's like, I'm named after a banana.
I mean, I think it's all right. I mean, maybe in certain cocktails this would be fantastic.
Yeah, if you blended this with a bunch of tropical juices.
But it just makes me mad. This is the same price as El Dorado,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you're deciding between this and the El Dorado, get the El Dorado 12-year.
Was this $29.99?
I mean, it's a whole different
30.
thing. Spiced rum is not really the total.
But they didn't even call it spiced rum.
That's true. You could be
I don't even know what this is.
thrown off if you're buying rum.
Yeah. If you want like a straight rum, don't get this.
No, but it's a good spiced rum.
Yes.
I guess. I don't drink spiced
It's
rum.
a banana rum.
So kind of a mixed.
Mixed bag. I give it a 6 out of 10.
That's fair.
Yeah.
6 out of 10, or
It's not
scoring
horrible.
system we don't really stick to too much.
Excuse me. I burped.
Yeah, I would say if you got money and are just looking if you are a rum collector, yeah, sure, collect it, but gather dust. Or you could probably make a really good punch with that.
Yeah.
I'd say.
Excuse me. I have the hiccups now.
Cool. All right. Well, what are we doing next time?
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 Oh,
Oh!
yeah.
It's Papa's. Papa's. How do you say this?
I want to say PR, but that's
PR?
probably wrong.
No, it's probably
Pilar.
Pilar. Papa's Pilar.
Papa Pilar.
And Ernest Hemingway's signature is on the front.
Yeah, so we'll talk about more on that video, but for right now, join us, won't you? Subscribe, click a button, like it,
Thanks for watching.
unlike it, and then like it again.
Join us, won't you?